Yes guys, so I'm going to drop the kids in the school right now, right buddy? And Zoe, so school muna kami. Then I'm gonna drop Zoe in the daycare. There's no pumpkin.
Another video?
Yes, another day, another vlog. Okay.
Do your makeup
So,
yet?
yeah, so this is the school ni Liam. Yan po ang kanyang eskwelahan dito sa Canada. French school. So, right now maghahatid kami. So, see you guys. I'll be back later. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. So guys, ngayon naman na dito tayo sa car wash. So, magpapa-car wash muna ako kasi ilang linggo na rin walang car wash tong aming sasakyan. So, we're gonna do car wash first. Then, magpapagas ako. Then, alis kami ni Sweetie. We're gonna do some errands. Then, tuloy-tuloy lang ang day. Bye! Tayo. Napulang tayo. Tapos na tayo guys. So, you can see. So, see you again later guys. Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa malapit sa neighborhood namin. Pansin nyo guys, ang dami ng mga bago. And guess what guys, kung sino may-ari nito. Lahat sila is mga ating mga kaibigang Indian. Yeah. So, yeah, most of them. Talagang ang dami ng pera, no?
Look at that bar, the chai bar.
Oh,
They
cypher, oh, din mo.
made effort
Right?
to do the entrance. Look
Yeah.
at the entrance.
Okay.
We're just checking.
Yeah, we're checking na makabili kami ng properties dito. Here.
It's just close in Aurora,
Yeah, yeah.
Unity, and just like 3 minutes away in our house.
Guys, tayo pang ginagawa dito guys. Oh. Okay. So see you again guys later. Uwi na kami sa bahay. Bush. Hi guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa matay man.
Shoppers.
Sa Shoppers. So kasi binilang ko nung aking Sweetie ng
YSL perfume.
YSL perfume.
No
Then,
occasion, but I got a gift. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Then we're going to massage. So yun ang aming agenda today. So guys, later I'm going to show you the massage sa what you call this area later. Bye.
Bye.
Hi guys, so nandito kami ngayon guys sa this one. So nandiyan kami ngayon. So punta kami dyan guys. So magpapamassage muna kami ni Sweetie. Okay guys, see you later. Guys, after massage nandito kami ngayon sa downtown. Kakain kami sa Vietnamese restaurant.
Here.
Okay guys. Kakain kami dito guys. Pasok kami ngayon.